Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to back up iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Then go to the settings on your iPhone and tap on your Apple ID, as in your name at the top of the settings, and it will open your Apple ID settings. Now, once inside there, simply look for the iCloud option available there and tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on the iCloud backup. Now once you have seen iCloud backup, tap on it and tap on backup now option available in blue highlights. This will start the backup process immediately. You can check the progress and confirm that backup is complete by going to the settings, your name, iCloud and iCloud backup. You should see the time of your last backup as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.